What is the difference between a tort and a breach of contract? A tort is when a person's legal right against everyone has been violated. For example, the right of a pedestrian to walk safely on a public footpath is a right against all other users of that road. Whereas in a breach of contract, the contractual right of one party are violated by the other parties to the contract. So the rights are against specific persons. Now, tort is a civil wrong based on some general duties imposed by law, which affects the right against the world, that is, rights in rem. Whereas breach of contract is a civil wrong based on specific duties outlined within a contract, affecting rights against specific persons, that is, rights in personam. Torts arise out of duties that are imposed by law and owed to individuals and the society as a whole, whereas breach of a contract arises from the agreements and the promises made within a contract. The purpose of a contract suit is to provide relief and compensation to the injured party and also to deter wrongful conduct, whereas the purpose of a breach of contract suit is to enforce the terms of the contract and to compensate the injured party for the losses due to the breach. In a tort, any injured party affected by the wrongful conduct may sue, because tort arises out of a right in rem. For a breach of contract, only the parties involved in the contract have the right to sue. In a tort suit, the damages are generally unliquidated, that is, they are not predetermined and they are compensatory. And there is also a possibility of punitive damages in some cases. In a breach of contract suit, the damages are typically liquidated, that is, the damages are specified within the contract or by law. And the aim of these damages is to restore the injured party to the position they would be in if the contract had been fulfilled. Examples of torts are negligence, defamation, and trespass. Examples of a breach of contract are a failure to deliver goods or services, non-payment after delivery, or violation of any of the other terms of the contract. In tort suits, the remedies may be damages or compensation, injunctions, and very rarely specific performance. In a breach of contract suit, the remedies may be damages, specific performance, rescission, that is, cancellation of the contract, and restitution, that is, restoration of the benefits wrongly received. And in a suit for tort, the defendant can claim contributory negligence, consent, or necessity as a defense. In a breach of contract suit, the contractual defenses like frustration due to unforeseen events, misrepresentation, undue influence, or mistake may be claimed as defense.